Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung calendar not syncing in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can do is clear the cache of the calendar app. Simply head over to your app drawer and search for the calendar app in the search bar of your app drawer. Long press on the calendar app once it appears. From here, what you can do is hit locate app. Once you've located the app, long press on it again and then hit the information icon right next to the app. Scroll down and then hit storage. Once you're here, what you can do is simply hit clear cache to clear the cache of the calendar app. If that does not work, what you can do is resync your account. For that, head over to your quick settings on your device and then head over to settings on your device. From here, what you'll have to do is head over to search and search for manage accounts. Tap on manage accounts. Once you're here, what you'll have to do is tap on manage accounts again and then tap on the account that you're trying to sync your calendar with and then hit sync account to manually sync your account with your calendar. If that does not work, what you can do is head over to your recent apps, force close all the apps, head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.